Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you button increment and decrement using custom hook in React.js. Yeah, let's start. So I'm going to create button and state here, and here I'm going to create that function. Okay, I'm going to access the function from this page to this page, and also I'm going to pass the initial value from this page to that page. Okay, and also I imported this in index.js. First I'm going to create a button that is increment, and another one is for decrement. MENT, and one more is for reset. Okay, reset. Yep, and also state in this place. Okay, for now I'll just keep that as empty. UI part is ready, so I'm going to create a custom hook here. Okay, so RFC, this name created based on the file name. Okay, and we don't want this part. Instead of that, we need to return all those functions whichever we creating here. Okay, before that I'm just create on state and set state to maintain the state value. Okay, useState and initial value will be coming from this page to this page, so we'll get that as a props. Okay, initial value, and copy this and paste that here. This will be the initial value for this state. Okay, and I'm going to create a 3 function. One is for increment, decrement, and last one is reset. Okay, const increment MENT, and we are going to use this state with this state plus 1. Okay, I'm going to duplicate for 3 times. This is decrement, and this is for reset, and this should be minus, and this value will be set 0 for reset. And I'm going to export these 3. Okay, these 3, decrement, also the reset, and before that we need to pass this state because we need to display this number, right? Now this is fine. Our custom hook is ready. I'm going to access this value here. So const, we need to get 4 values from this file, so we need to import that here. Use this one, use custom, and we need to pass some initial value inside this. So here I'm just going to get those values. It's kind of a destructuring. Okay, and increment and decrement, also reset. Yep, this is fine, and I'm going to copy and paste it inside this. Now our state will display here, then here need to create on click, and this function same as for decrease, and decrement, and last one is reset. I'll save this because I already running this project. So this is what our UI. Just add a break here, or otherwise I'll just put this in on h1 tag. That will be better. Yep, right now this is fine. And if I click increment, value will get increase. If I click decrement, value will get decrease. If I reset, yep, this is how you can create a custom hook in React.js. This is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.